Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash, and I am so excited. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. My people, wake up. My people, wake up. Wake up and see for yourself that the hair growth is real and it is extraordinary. You've not only seen proof on my husband's hair growth journey, but you've also seen plenty of proof on many different clients with different hair textures and many different hair conditions. For those of you who have been following the professor's hair growth journey, either on my Instagram or on my YouTube channel, how much more proof do you guys need? Please comment below and let me know, because I only have one sentence for you guys. You don't need no turkey this Easter. And you hear what I say? Let me repeat myself again. You don't need no turkey this Easter or any other Easter, because you can now book a one-to-one consultation with me. Just visit our website, speecheshairstyles.co.uk, and book your one-to-one consultation now. Your one-to-one consultation will include all the products and tools that you'll need to get started on your hair growth journey to redeem a healthy growing hair. All may not be lost. After 25 years of experience with different hair types and hair conditions, I can reassure you that some of these problems aren't always based on medical conditions, but the lack of knowledge and understanding how to care for your hair. So my aim is to help you to understand and to share my knowledge and my experience with you on how to care for your hair in order to rebuild a healthy growing hair. For those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, please go and check out my playlist, My Husband's Hair Growth Journey, Short Hairstyles, and Hair Growth Reviews, to familiarize yourself with my channel, my work, and the service I offer. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Before I go any further, I just want to give a big, massive shout out to all my clients in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland, and to all the clients who jump on plane to travel from other countries to start their hair growth journey with me. Big up on yourself. One love. So guys, for those of you who don't know, the routine is to first shampoo the hair with my Speechless Hair Growth shampoo. Secondly, I will detangle hair with my Speechless Hair Growth deep conditioner. And thirdly, I will apply my Speechless Hair Growth treatment conditioner. I will then cover the hair with a plastic cap and leave clients under a steamer for up to an hour on full power. steaming my client's hair to unclog his follicles. I will now rinse the hair out, and if necessary, you can add more of my Speechless Hair Growth Deep Conditioner to comb through. And guys, as you can see with your own eyes, the hair growth is extraordinary indeed. So please visit my website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and invest in yourself. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. Up.